In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Disney Plus keeps logging you out. Let's get started. First, log out completely, then sign back in with your correct email and password. Restart your TV, streaming device, phone, tablet, or computer to clear temporary issues. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Disney Plus. If you see the option update, click on it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also, you can restart your router. Next up, clear cache for the app. So go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find app Disney Plus and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Next thing you want to do is check your account details. Your subscription is active, your payment method is up to date, your account has not been locked or flagged for unusual activity. If you don't recognize devices on your account or suspect someone else has access, change your password and sign in again on your trusted devices. If you are still being logged out after trying these steps, the issue may be related to your account or a temporary service problem. For that, you'll need to contact Disney Plus support. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.